it's good, but
Welcome back to the channel. If you just watched last video, this is exactly after that video. The cave is not the cave, but that bullshit viewpoint is right behind us, and I'm walking back to my moped. Hopefully it's still there. I know I said in the last video I wanted to do like 5 different places, but like I said, my camera is on 70, my mic's on 40. So I don't know if that's gonna be possible, but we still gonna see what we can do. Not even counting my phone. We're gonna see what we can do. Heading back to my moped right now. Holy shit, what a walk. I just know I smell foul. I didn't shower this morning. I ain't got no deodorant, I ain't got no toothpaste, nothing, but we're in the rural Vietnam. We don't care about that shit. Also, I don't know if it got picked up on camera or on audio last video when I was renting the moped. I asked the guy if I needed a license. He was like, "No, you're American. You don't need a license." So they're not gonna stop. The police. He said the police not gonna stop you because you're American, and they like Americans. He said, "But if you're Chinese, they don't like the Chinese." I always find it funny how American and Vietnam relations are so good now, considering what happened 50 years ago. But I guess they got over it. Everybody's friends now. I don't know what they got going on with China, but none of my business. But back to the moped. We're coming back to the bike. This little 1970s war Jeep. What the fuck is this? You need this? Got some water on it.
Cảm ơn.
Good? Good. Oh. Say, where am I from? I'm from America. Yeah. Where are you from? Vietnam. Holy.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
I need a shave.
That's how.
I need a shave.
Việt Nam nó.
Yeah. See all this.
Sao nó không cạo nhỉ?
Oh boy. All right. So I actually like this bike. I don't know why everybody always asks me where I'm from. Like, do I look exotic? I like this bike right here. The only problem is there's nowhere to put your phone. So I literally have to ride with my phone in my left hand so I can look at the navigation, see where the fuck I'm going. So naturally I don't have as good of a grip on the left handlebar as I should, as I would like. So my turning is not as good because I gotta hold my phone in my hand, but anyway, look at my shit looks so much better than these other guys. Like, come on, man. What is this? That's like a moped. I told him I didn't want a moped. I wanted that motherfucker with that power behind it. And it costs $50,000 to fill up the tank. That's like $2 to fill up a tank, bro. Like, where was I? I should have been got this shit. I'm not getting the Grab no more. I'm gonna buy one of these shits. Especially when I go to Da Nang next week. I'm just gonna rent one of these. Rent one of these for $150. About $6 a day. And then fill it up. Like, come on, can't beat that. All right, I don't know where we're going, but when we get there, you guys will know. So I've just arrived at the Thung Nham Bird Park. I just got my ticket. We had a park right here. Ticket booth right there. It's 150 dong to get in. cheaper than the other place. I'm gonna try to hold my camera while I go up there because I'm not gonna need my phone. But we're gonna see how this goes. And it's just right up there. Unfortunately, a ton of people just showed up as soon as I got here. It's like 20 people that just showed up. A bunch of Aussies, naturally. But I ain't worried about that, man. Let's go. All right, so when I bought the ticket from that guy, he said just drive 1 more kilometer. So that's what I did. So that's where we're here. Everybody's parked right here, and now I guess you just walk through the whole event type thing, which is kind of better this way. I can get better footage. I absolutely cannot hold this while I'm on that moped. That motherfucker got some power to it, man. Y'all don't know about that shit, man. Hey, if you ever come to Vietnam, most places give you an option of getting like a bicycle. What's up? These folks never seen a black person before. But you get a choice of getting a bicycle, a little girly moped, or like a real bike. Get that bike, man. Unless you're like disabled or like a child or something. Like you don't need people to be doing that. So I don't know. Is this another ticket? I just paid $150 to get here, 1 ticket. I paid another $10 to park. Now they're gonna charge me another amount of money? Like, this shit's scam city over here in Vietnam, man. Scam city. We gotta understand that's how they make their money. Like they don't have jobs and shit. Not really. So if they gotta get it off by scamming some tourists, so be it. As long as it's not much. 100K, you can take 100K. But
Quá gì?
I'm trying to see. Look at that view, man. I still got this fucking helmet on. I keep forgetting to take it off. I'm surprised my mic stayed on while I'm on this moped. Please do not go this way. Please enter through the ticket gates. Maybe the ticket is what I bought earlier. Hopefully, otherwise. Is the ticket?
Dành thế. Come in.
Thank you.
All the way to the ticket.
Alright. I'll take a map, why not?
Here. Walking to boat.
Where are we right now?
Yeah. Boat to. Boat 1 kilo, 2 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah. Have a nice trip.
I don't know what Buddy was saying. Something about 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. Something about sending me back to Africa or some shit. But that's alright. Look at this water. I see a lot of people, especially Vietnamese, dressed in like, fuck, my camera's fucked up. Hold on. Yeah, alright. So I see a lot of Vietnamese dressed in like jackets and sweaters and pants and jeans and fake designer, Gucci, Balenciaga. It's like, why are they wearing all this shit? Don't they know it's hot as fuck? Maybe they just used to it, I don't care. But hey. This is a bird park, so I'm ready to see some birds. Where the birds at, man? The ostriches and the bald eagles. Shit like that. Well, I think I'm heading in the right direction. It's a bird garden. Man, those mopeds are so fun. People need to put Vietnam higher on their vacation list. Scrap Japan, right? Scrap Tokyo, and go to Thailand and Vietnam, man. Japan is overhyped. There's another cave right here, the Mermaid Cave, but I just did the 500 step shit. So I'm really not trying to do any more bullshit. But I will for you guys. Let's go. My thighs and legs are nice and tender. Mermaid Cave. Yeah, alright. So we're going down the Mermaid Cave after a flight of stairs. Now we're going into some fucking diamond mines. We in the diamond mines, we better start making iPhones and shit. Like the little boys and kids, the little kids do in Africa or whatever they're from. With the zinc and the gold and the silver. And this ceiling's pretty low. Pay close attention. You see people gotta crouch. What the fuck? Like I want some solid, fuck. Good thing I got my helmet on. Some solid snake type shit. I should have took my bag out, but I didn't know where to put it. Hope the water ain't deep, cause I can't swim. Just hit my head again. Thank God for helmets. And this shit is low, man. And I'm 5'5", for anybody wondering. It's quiet as fuck. I think I'm the only guy down here. They might turn off the lights on me. I'm not even looking up, I'm just looking through my camera lens. They got shit dripping down here. And ain't no mermaid cave about this. Ain't no mermaids. Ain't shit down here. Already sweating. Let's go, boys. Oh yeah, the water's shallow, never mind. I'll be alright if I slip. It's so humid in Vietnam, at least in the north. I'm heading to Da Nang later on. I haven't even eaten today. I'm doing all this bullshit. Those are the steps I came from. Send help. I'm in the mermaid caves. What the fuck? How you supposed to get around this? I ain't supposed to come through this way. I'm gonna end up like that guy in, what's that thing, Silly Putty? You guys know what I'm talking about, the cave diver who ended up stuck upside down in some fucking cave because he wanted to be cool and he left a daughter and his wife behind. What was that cave? Something putty. You guys know what I'm talking about. Fuck. I just smacked my head on something. See that crack? It's not a crack, but like, is this fun for people? I see lights. Tell me there's a way out. Let me out. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. There's probably no damn bats down here. Shitting everywhere and biting you. You guys ever played Gears of War? So I feel like I'm doing the roadie run. Only real ones know about Gears. You didn't play Gears 1 through 3 growing up. You either too young or you know what the fuck was going on. Shout out Gears 3. Alright, we almost out of here. Alright, we out. We got a little road map right here. Walking trail to the bird garden. Well, that's the whole reason we're here, to see the birds, man. That's the whole reason we're here, so all this other shit don't matter. Where the birds at? I need a refund. Ain't no birds even in the sky. We should have scammed, folks. Just some random text message from a Chinese number. Uh-oh. Is that mud? Oh shit. I think it's mud. So as you guys know, I'm just on this trail after that mermaid cave. And this mother and daughter duo just came up to me and asked me, do I know how long the trail is to the bird thing? On this paper it says 1 kilometer. Like, oh, that's not bad because we gotta make it back to our taxi in an hour. Oh, yeah, that's what you get when you get these tour guides who just put you on a leash. I'm like, man, I'm free. I'm not trying to be on a leash. No tour guide. Trying to tell me when to be back. I go where I want. We got another Flower is Ann's, or the bird garden. Flower is Ann's is right here, so this is where we're gonna go up. I still haven't seen a single bird. The mother and daughter said they saw some stalks. Holy shit. This is not stable. What the fuck? It doesn't make it better that there's circular, rounded bamboo. We got some people on a boat. Hello. Like, look at this, bro. This shit's about to give out. Oh, hell no. Let me get a quick photo for the gram. that. Still no birds. More bamboo. All I can think about is going home and taking a nice hot shower. We ain't got time for that right now. Now you can hear this shit cracking underneath my foot. I'm ready to go, to be honest. Fuck them birds. I didn't see a single bird. Am I even still in the... there's some white people. Once you see white people, you know you're going in the right place. No cap. Now look at this. Now, I still haven't even eaten today. I ate some duck last night. I had some roasted duck. Roasted duck and rice, which was just average. It was expensive for what it was. But I haven't eaten since then, since like 6 o'clock last night. About 14, 15 hours ago. Oh, they're the birds right there. That's what they're talking about, these fucking ducks. I can see ducks in America for free. I didn't come out this way to see ducks. I want to see some rainbow colored shits. Now this is some Instagram worthy backdrop. Surprised I don't see more white girls up here taking photos. Maybe I'm just late. We got some vloggers up ahead. I can't be outdone, so I gotta turn my camera on too. Yeah, I got a camera too. Now what? Look at this shit. Hope this ain't no poison ivy. I can't be outdone by the vlog. I'm gonna wait for them to go ahead because I don't got time for them to try to wuss out and come back. Rule number 1 of vlogging. You see somebody else start vlogging, you gotta start vlogging too. Like, hey, I'm here. You gotta let them know I'm here. They moving too slow. Let's go, man. Alright. You're taking longer than I expected. They're still on this damn bridge. I don't know if you can see them. Like, oh, it took them like 5 minutes. Watch this, guys. Now, this ain't no BS. Look at this. It's just one piece of log. We better hit this shit. I mean, it's got a damn near handrail, so you shouldn't fall. I can't have 2 white girls crossing. I'm the only nigga that fall. With my $700 camera. Wouldn't that be dreadful? I watched enough Ultimate Ninja Warrior. This shit ain't nothing. This shit ain't nothing for real. I'm crossing this shit in half the amount of time they took. This piece of wood's kind of broke. Hey, look at that. What was that, 30 seconds? 40? Like, come on now. Easy. I still haven't seen any birds worth mentioning. I've seen with some ducks. Some quack quack joints. Oh, look, more ducks. Alright. So we can go see the Vietnamese apple orchard. The secret love tree. The secret love tree. I need some love in my life. Let's see what the tree talking about. I was gonna leave. You guys knew I was about to leave, but I gotta get some love. Is this a vending machine right here? It's like a Japanese vending machine. You got some photographers. What's up? They charging $10,000. This shit don't take cash. 10,000. It's not bad. Look at the size of that camera. All right, my mic's on 10% battery. So if its audio starts sounding different because it died, well, we're not gonna stop that. We're not gonna let that stop us from getting to the love tree. We gotta get to the love tree. We can all use some more love. I like this hat. I feel like I'm in the war. Full Metal Jacket type shit. Look at this, guys. Thung Nham Flower Paradise. Look like some shit out of an anime, some Final Fantasy type shit. This is gorgeous. We made it to the top of the flower garden. We got some people with some flowers. People taking an Instagram photo shoot so they can get a husband. They need to hurry up though, they all in the way. How inconsiderate. Time. I'm gonna go around this way then. Yeah, this really reminds me of some anime opening. Some Sword Art Online type. All right. If I don't see this love tree in the next 10 minutes, I'm leaving. Vietnamese love their bamboo. Everybody coming to take photo shoots at the flower garden. They dress like they go to Sunday church. See you again. Have a good trip. Now, what if I didn't speak English and I thought that said something else? Where the love tree? Is this it? This shit. Ain't no love going on about this tree, man. I don't look like you got any water, much less some love. I need some water. Ain't got no fruit on it, ain't no animals. Yeah, that love dead. You don't wear that type. Hell nah. So I think this is the end of the bird tour. Unfortunately, fellas, we didn't get to see any birds besides those ducks. I don't even count those. So I'll chalk this up as a scam. But I'm just gonna go see if I can find another place to go to on a moped. I bought a Coke. I've been drinking a lot more soda here recently. That's only because they don't have any juice options. I have water in my bag, so if I wanted water, I would take it out and drink it. But we'll find somewhere else to go on the moped. One more place. I really want to go home and shower and recharge all my devices. I don't want to be stuck out here in rural Vietnam with no phone. And you can't use the translator app. They don't know what you're doing. You might end up missing. But that's the plan. Find another place. Go there. See how it's going. Return the moped and get a bus back to Hanoi. That's the plan. Alright, we're coming back up onto where I parked my moped. There's the ticket counter right behind me. The guy asked me to leave a review. I told him I didn't see any birds worth mentioning, but I enjoyed the mermaid cave and the flower thing, so. But, alright, like I said, I want to try out one more place. I don't know what he's talking about. I want to see one more place and then return to this bike. It gets dark around 5. I want to be done by 3. Try and get a bus back to Hanoi so I can shower and re-up on my batteries, my SD card space. I need to put these videos on my computer. All these tourist buses, man. Folks don't know how to do shit they sell themselves. Alright, we made it to our next destination. This is Trang An, I think? I don't even know. Hold on, guys. Trang An. And the main attraction of this place is the boat tour. I haven't been on a boat tour yet on this trip, so I want to go on one. Not only, and that also give me time to charge my phone because I have my portable charger. I can't use that for driving, obviously. But like always, they're gonna get you to pay for that parking, man. They need that parking money, like they like to depend on it. It costs $15,000. This is the most it costs all day. But look at the ground. They're supposed to park a bike with a kickstand. You got holes in the ground. So you gotta line your bike right up. You gotta line your bike up, or your shit's gonna be leaning. So, see how, do I even have 15,000 straight? Running out of money. Oh, here's 15,000 right here. What I have noticed about Vietnam money is there are no coins. At least I don't have any. When I was in Philippines or Japan, I walk around with a pocket full of coins at all times. Yeah, here there are no coins, I don't believe. But here's a ticket counter.
Okay, rồi thì lại. Dạ, sẽ bay chỉ cuộc sẽ được cặp bay.
Ah, okay. Understood. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Pay later.
Oh, come back and pay. Alright. I thought I had to pay him right there. You gotta come back and pay. So that's fine, I guess. Alright. I don't want to waste too much time here. I need to find a boat. 'Cause I'm running low on social battery. Where's my hat though? I bought a hat like this in Colombia. That shit broke not even 10 minutes. And it cost me like triple the price of this. The Colombians, man. Alright, let's find the boats. Who's gonna carry the boats? The boat station's right there. There's an ATM right beside it. That's a bad sign. That's how you know they about to get you. They say, here the ATM. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. We already drove 30 minutes out here. So I'm paying whatever. Another thing is about like honking. Honking in America is seen as like rude or like get out the way or what are you doing, idiot? But here, honking the horn is like, it's more like, yo, I'm right here. Like, you know, it's not offensive. It's supposed to be helpful. Like a lot of times you can't hear a motorbike, especially if you're on your own. So if they honk, they're honking to let you know, especially in like side streets, they're honking to let you know, like, I'm right here, man. So that's it's not like, you know, like America.
Yeah, this way.
They got the whole shebang. They got the whole shebang. I still haven't eaten. All day. It's almost 2 p.m. I haven't eaten since like 6:30 yesterday. I also don't feel hungry, which is a good thing because Vietnamese food is kind of trash. Here's the ticket counter right here. I don't even know what the price is. Oh, it's $250,000 for a boat ticket. How much is that? Somebody do the math, let me know. All right, I got it. Don't worry. And you can hear I took my microphone off because it died. 250,000 dong. $10. See, that's not bad. See, you try to do anything in Japan, they're gonna knock you over the head, man. Vietnamese, they just trying to get a little bit of money, keep it pushing. But Japan, something like this will cost you $100. You know, be half the length. Let me see. I think I have 200,000, 250 in cash. All right, I got my ticket. I overheard the receptionist tell the other guy that was in front of me that it takes 3 hours. And it's already 2 p.m. By the time we're done, it's gonna be dark. So I don't know how long it's gonna take for my boat to get here, because I know they said 4 people a boat. And there's a lot of people here, so I'm not trying to be out there pitch dark. They got fucking werewolves and shit out here in the lake. What the fuck is this? I don't care about this shit, man.
If you cannot climb up to a very nice mountain, you can go here. The bus can go and bring you go to the water. Up to you, okay? When I finish Trang An, go to the
I don't give a fuck about that, man. I don't need no tour guide. I walk around raw dog in Asia. Straight raw dog in Asia, man. I don't need a tour guide to tell me where the fuck to walk. I can read. Maybe I can't read. I don't know which way to go. I guess it's this way. Follow the white folks. Oh, there's a ton of boats. I was thinking it was just one boat. Oh shit.
Okay, now it's the time to take some picture here. Take some picture here, okay?
Take some picture. Alright. Can I bring my bag on the boat? Camera can't pick up my face. It's too dark. Alright, we're gonna skip all this. We're just gonna appear on the boat. Next time you see me, be on the boat, on the water. You know what I'm saying? When David Goggins said he's gonna carry the boats, he was talking to me, man. So there's three different routes, route 1, 2, and 3. Each route you see a different thing or a different amount of things. I just told him I'm gonna go on route 3. I don't know. It's all new to me. I don't know if people are bringing their bags on these boats though. These shits barely look like they can hold regular 4 people, much less a bag. And I can't swim either. Alright, we're finally on a boat. Route 3, I think. I don't know where we're going. It might take me back to the motherland. Look at this. It's the dock back there. We haven't even left yet. There's still nice views. But he said it was 3 hours. I hope it's not 3 hours. Let me check my phone. It's 2:03 right now. I'm not trying to be on the water for 3 hours. And it's life, guys. I don't know what it's gonna do for me. This shit made out of paper. Ain't no life in this bus. At least there's only 3 people in the boat. That's better. You know what would make this better? If you get your own boat motorized and just explore, just give you a map or something, and you can just explore on your own leisure. We've been on the water for about 10 minutes. And this is 3 hours long. I might just jump in the water and just end it. Like, they should just give you, I would pay double for that. Just give you like a motorized boat and a map. But hey, you can go check this out. This is how far it is. Bring it back. That'll be much better than what's going on right now. I'm about to just jump in the water and end it all right now. And they give you an umbrella too. But I don't need it. I don't need an umbrella. Good thumbnail action right there. That's what all this boat tour is good for. Oh jeez, hopefully they misspoke 3 hours. Maybe they meant 3 minutes or something. I don't think this boat could last for 3 hours.
Hello.
So we're coming up to this temple right now. The Din Trin Temple.
Thank you. Hello. Hello.
507?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright. So we're at some temple. Got these two lovebirds that are on my boat, holding hands and taking photos and shit. Hey, you wanna do all that hand holding shit? You can't even do that in Vietnam. Like, you can't do that in public. I gotta call the police on these niggas. Oh, I left my phone on the boat. Oh shit. My phone. Thank you. That would have been a disaster if I left my phone. Alright, we're gonna see what's going on around here. I'm on 14% or 11%. What's with people walking around barefoot? I never understood it. Don't they know that's disgusting? Some temple, they burning some incense. I got some free money on the table right there. I have to come back and grab that. They're giving out free money. I don't know what flag these are. I don't think this is a country. Why would you have any other country flag other than Vietnam? I got a fish in the water. Alright, I'm tired of this boat tour already. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go back home, to be honest. Hit me off. Alright, we're in this super low cave. It's like the mermaid cave. You literally gotta duck down so you don't get knocked off the boat. Nobody on my boat speaks English, so that's cool. So I can just make videos and nobody thinks I'm crazy, because they don't know what I'm saying anyways. Where are the bats at, man? Where are the bats?
Cái này cái bàn của Hàn Quốc kia vào đây.
Alright, we're finally out of the caves. We've been in the caves for the last 20 minutes, it seems like. And now we're on the Amazon rainforest type shit.
Quay vlog, quay phim.
So the whole time we were in those caves, right? There was water and bat shit dripping from the ceiling all over the boat. So I'm surprised I can even see right now, because you know bat shit makes you go blind.
Được nghe.
But yeah, I didn't record much in there because for one, you can't see. It was dark, and for two, I need to charge my camera. I'm up to about 25% now. Should be enough to finish out the day. I feel like an alligator's gonna show up. It's like alligator territory. So we're in yet another cave, and my two people on the boat that are with me, the two lover boy and girl, they decided to start help rowing, but we're still going the same speed, so they must not be doing too good of a job. As long as they don't ask me to start doing it. At this point, I just want to be in my bed back in Hanoi. And I still haven't eaten. I need to take a shower. This shit is boring, man. Get me back on a moped, man. That's where the fun's at, moped. Just wait until I can actually record that footage. I had a necklace, it's like a necklace mount. But at least I know for the Hajiang Loop, I know how to drive a moped. And I'm gonna see if I can get a phone carrier so I can actually have both hands on the steering wheel so I can make them tight turns, because I know the roads aren't the best. You don't really need to make tight turns on main roads, but when you're in a dirt road and it is 1 inch of failure, you're gonna need to make them turns. Alright, so if I can get a phone holster for a moped and figure out how to work my neck holster, we're gonna be in good business. And I need to get a helmet with a visor or some sunglasses, because when you go too fast, you be getting shit in your eyes. So I need some sunglasses or a helmet with a visor. Looks like we're coming to the end of this. This whole segment has reminded me of like Black Ops 1 story mode campaign. I don't know exactly what. I don't remember. I was like 13, 14 years ago. It's bright as fuck. Imagine it started raining. So we've taken another break. We stopped at the Din Sua Tien temple. Boy, am I about tired of this boat ride, man. What was I thinking? 3 hours of that? No food, no water, it's hot sun, and Vietnameses. Looks like there's some more stuff going on down this way. Hello. Yeah. Why do they insist on engaging with me like I'm some wild animal? I don't know. I don't want to waste all my battery. I only want to record if something interesting happens, but I don't think anything interesting is going to happen, to be honest with you. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, we've gotten to the best part of the trip. You won't believe this. This is the best part of the trip right here. A fucking can of Sprite. An 80-cent can of Sprite is better than this whole trip. This whole $10 trip. I'm not gonna record. I'm probably not gonna record the rest of this. I'm gonna walk out to this pier right here. I'm gonna drink my Sprite. And then the next time you see me, I'll be getting on my moped. Or getting on a bus to go home. If even that. I'm not even sure. Alright, we're finally done with that god-awful exhibit. It's about 4:30, 4:15. Gets dark at around 6. I head back to my moped. Drive 30 minutes back to return it, and then see if I can book a bus to go back to Hanoi. Goodness gracious, people. That wasn't fun. I need a shower. I need some food, some American food. And I need some money. Thank you. He's gonna pick up right here? 30 minutes. Alright guys. This will be my last clip. I'm on 10% battery, but so I go there across the street to try to book a ticket. Vietnam, easy go travel. Nice office. They got 5 people in there doing jack shit. They got a sign outside that says they got a bus running from Ninh Binh, Hanoi every hour until 6:30, right? It's 5 o'clock right now. So I said, okay, can I get a ticket? They said, oh no, it's full, or it's fully booked, whatever, right? So if I want to go, it's gonna be private car. It's gonna be 1.1 million. It's like $40-something. I go across the street because there's like 1,000 of them on this road. I guess I thought they all operated on the same people, but I guess not. I go across the street to this rinky-dink office right here. This little bullshit office. And they give me a ticket for $2.36. $9. How does the rinky-dink office have tickets, but the nice one doesn't? That just goes to show. I got a bus coming in 30 minutes. And that's going to be it for this video. I really enjoyed myself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tomorrow, I don't know what we're doing. Probably going to be a rest day for Hajiang Loop. That's going to be a big one right there. But stay tuned. Nosy American signing out.